Today we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your eToro app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, just go down here, you click here on notifications here. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on invest in here. So then you come to this list. Then all you have to do, just come here to check profit notices, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean take profit notices disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.